photograph was worth 1,000 words, 1,000 words. Now 1,000 pictures come my way every day, and I like them all the same, but they can't take my breath away. I'm fighting the temptation not to look, but I'm still leafing through the pages like the world's my open book. Why don't I got something else to do? Feeling trapped behind the viewfinder, but share it all with you, and that's not what it's about. I'm so tired of missing out. I'll look on up to the sky. I wonder why I put a filter between beauty and my eyes. I'll look on up into your eyes. It's time I put down my devices and I start to live my life. I'll look on up, I'll look on up to the sky. Have you ever tried to photograph the moon? Well, I have to, I have to. I find it funny how it never turns out right. It's like someone poked a pinhole in the canvas of the night, and that's not what it's about. I'm so tired of missing out. I look on up to the sky. I wonder why I put a filter between beauty and my eyes. I look on up into your eyes. It's time I put down my devices and I start to live my life. I look on up, I look on up, 'cause it's a Nick Drake pink moon, seeing the pines of the Pacific Northwest for the first time. I cannot believe my eyes. Yeah, singing out loud in the middle of the night on a balcony in Brisbane, looking up into the sky, into the sky. It's time I put down my devices and I start to live my life. Between beauty and my eyes, I look on up into your eyes. It's time I put down my devices and I start to live my life. I look on up, I look on up to the sky. Have you ever tried to photograph the moon? I have to.